Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nida Zinatul Adija. You can call me Nida. Today I want to share a story about my favorite activity or my hobby, which is gardening. One of my favorite things is gardening. I love looking at flowers, plants, and everything related to nature. Whenever I see a grand and pressed landscape, I feel calm and peaceful. Working in places with lots of plants also makes me feel calm and happy. This is the front yard of my house. There are many different plants, but to be honest, my mom planted all of these plants. She loves gardening. I used to watch her garden, and eventually I became curious and tried to plant something myself, like these flowers. For me, planting flowers is a fun thing to do. It's like we're one with nature. From taking the soil and putting it in a pot, making a small hole and putting the seeds in it, closing the hole with soil and watering it. It's a fun thing to do. And there's another thing that makes me happy, which is seeing the plants grow. Sometimes I like to watch the small leaves that are starting to appear, or the flowers that are starting to bloom. Through gardening, I feel closer to nature. Even when I'm stressed and tired, just looking at the scenery or the garden makes me feel lighter. So, gardening is not just a hobby, but also a natural therapy. Overall, gardening is a hobby that makes me feel happy, calmer, and closer to nature. The activities are simple, but the benefits are great for ourselves and the environment. Let's protect our environment by planting plants because from fertile and abundant plants, we get the pleasure of fresh air. Well, that's my story about my favorite activity or my hobby. I apologize for my poor English pronunciation during this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.